In a landmark decision, the U.S. House of Representatives passed a $95 billion legislative package on Saturday, that is on April 20th yesterday, aimed at providing security assistance to Ukraine, Israel and Taiwan. The bipartisan measure faced resistance from Republican hardliners, but garnered broad support across party lines. The legislation, which now heads to the Democratic majority Senate, includes provisions for $60.84 billion to address the conflict in Ukraine, $26 billion for Israel, and $8.12 billion for the Indo-Pacific region, including Taiwan. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky expressed gratitude to US lawmakers, emphasizing the significance of the aid package in maintaining stability and security amid ongoing tensions with Russia. The Biden administration, already finalizing its next assistance package for Ukraine, intends to swiftly deploy aid to address urgent battlefield needs once the bill becomes law. During the House vote, divisions were apparent, with Republican dissent and some lawmakers waving Ukrainian flags in a show of support. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu also praised the passage of the aid bill, highlighting the bipartisan backing for Israel's security amid ongoing tensions with Iran and the escalating conflict with Hamas. Analysts note the significance of the legislation for U.S. defense contractors who stand to benefit from contracts to supply equipment to partner nations. As the bill advances to the Senate for consideration, its passage underscores ongoing bipartisan support for strategic alliances and security partnership in a rapidly evolving global landscape.